Hey loves, in today's video I will be reviewing the Profusion Spectrum All Matte Eyeshadow Palette and creating this easy warm-toned glitter cut crease eye makeup. I purchased the Profusion Spectrum 10 Shade Pro Pigment Palette from Walmart for $6. It is a collection of 10 brightly colored, cool, and warm-toned shades. In addition to the Spectrum palette, I will also be using my IMAGIC Pro 30 color warm-toned palette. Here I am highlighting my brow bone with the shade Pearl using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. With my Coastal Scents Detail Pointed Crease Brush, I am applying totally to the inner 2/3 of my crease. With that same brush, I am placing Ember on the outer third of my crease, and I am also bringing it down onto the outer third of my lid as well. I am using my concealer to cut my crease. I am applying the shade Tipsy using my Nicki K round eyeshadow brush. Going back to my Coastal Scents Detail Pointed Crease brush, I am using it to blend Ember and Tipsy together. And I'm going over my cut crease again by reapplying Totally with the BH Cosmetics V9. For my brow bone highlight, I am using the LA Colors highlighter in the shade Shine Bright on my Energy M111. I had to take a break from filming to charge my phone. Here are the products that I applied. Moving down to my lower lash line, I am now applying the shade Beat using the Energy M111. On my waterline, I am using the brown LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. To complete my eye makeup, I am highlighting my inner corner with Sparkle using the BH Cosmetics V9. Here's my completed Profusion Spectrum Warm Tone Glitter Cut Crease. I love how this makeup came out. Of course, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that warm tones are my favorite. The Profusion Spectrum palette has amazing pigmentation and blendability. The texture of these shadows are so soft. The only shadow that I really had to work with was Beat, which I placed on my lower lash line. It is a beautiful bright orange, but it did take a lot more building to get it as opaque as Ember and Totally. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create this look. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think of this makeup look, and until next time, bye loves!